It's just a little parts review. I picked up a couple of things for the Honda. So this is some old tank. This is the rubber gasket that came with the Surwa tank. If you want to buy a new tank for a 3-wheeler, check out the Surwa tank. I'll put it down here. This also is the gaskets for the tank. Y'all know this place, 223 cycles. This is a ATC 250X timing chain. So if you know what a timing chain is, you know what's getting fixed on one of them. Also, I bought off Surwa a Shindy valve kit, and I bought this because Surwa didn't have these. I bought I bought two things in here. These are the valve, what do you call it? Guides, I think, and there's 2 springs. So I'm going to probably send it out because I don't think I'm that cool. I could probably figure this out if I had like 10 weeks. I was also going through some fuel line. This is genuine Honda used fuel line. I don't know if it was this one or this one, so I bought both of them because you never know when you can use fuel line. And that's pretty much it. One of my Hondas, the bike my daughter, sorry, it's sweaty as hell here. It's 41 degrees out. The bike my daughter house rides is gonna go probably first out to maintenance. I'm gonna get the timing chain done, and once I get the rack back, I'm gonna start switching everything on that bike, and then after that bike is nice and looks better, I'm gonna make this one look nice. This one right here, the 87, I'm probably gonna buy the same parts and do a timing chain thing. The 87's what is that? 38 years old. The other one's 40, so the older one's gonna get done. This one, the whole front end's getting taken off, like literally. The front forks, the front fender, the front wheel, the front rack, everything's coming off, and I'm putting a a whole new front end on it. But I forgot to send the forks out, so I'm in the process of. I'll make a video. I got 6 sets of forks to take apart. 3 sets down. I got 6 forks all total, plus these 2 be 7 and 8 to rebuild. So whichever one are nicest one, I'm gonna send the nicest ones to get powder coated, and then put them on this bike because I don't want it sitting here on stand for a while. But while that's happening, I might keep the shitty forks on it. But I don't know if I wanna. Anyway, the whole front end's getting changed. It's gonna look nice. I already have the headlight basket cage powder coated. The rack's powder coated. The thing that holds the wiring harness is powder coated. What else is there? I have all the new bolts for it. I even have the steering stem bearings, and I'm just gonna replicate that 3 times and get all that before the world ends. And that's pretty much it. That's why I got the timing chain. I'm gonna order another set of this for the other bike. And these other bikes, I might just take that engine right there that's kind of smoky, like, and put it on my bench and sit here and figure out how to take the timing chain apart and put it back together and take it apart until I figure out how to get it done in working order, and then I'll put it because it's not complicated, but if you've never done it before, I'd rather not screw up an engine. So I have a spare one. It's probably not going in any bike, so we'll see. Anyway, thanks for watching, Toodles. It is too hot to do anything. I'm going back home. It's air conditioned, and I'm going to relax because I'm sweating more than I really want to right now. It reminds me I was in boot camp. It was 41 degrees. It's they called it a heat category 5 in Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri. It was 105 degrees plus humidity. Oh, it was bad. It was 100. I remember in the chow hall, we were just this close together, standing there in the chow hall, and all you could smell is humans. It was gross. So yeah, it was bad. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash whatever button, lick it, touch it, toast it, roast it, whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching.